Meet Trainual, the smartest way to onboard, train, and scale your team. So what is Trainual and how does it work? Imagine Trainual as that employee in your business that knows everything about everything. Who's who does what, and how it's done. The way you work, organized in a digital playbook. Gone are the days of boring training manuals, messy spreadsheets, and email overload. With Trainual, new hire orientations are easy. People actually read the employee handbook. Training is engaging, consistent, and able to happen from anywhere. Questions are answered before they become meetings. Alignment and accountability become automatic. There are hundreds of ways to document what you do, then delegate what anybody needs to know. And you can easily track their progress and performance. Trainual saves you time and money by making your operations scalable and your organization more efficient. It's not just a new software tool. It's your key to taking back your time and making those training pains a distant memory. Join tens of thousands of growing businesses that have embraced the future of training with Trainual. Visit trainual.com and get started today.